The most time-consuming thing that I do as a content creator isn't coming up with good content. It's writing and editing my projects. So let's talk about some of the tools I use to make that more efficient. I want to start with my writing tool, which is Obsidian. Obsidian is a great tool that helps you organize and get feedback about your project. It's a customizable Swiss Army Markdown editor, but it has all types of extensions that can add functionality to it. My go-to extension for getting things done is called Kanban, a two-dimensional to-do list. My boards have a number of categories, a backlog where I brainstorm things I have to get done, then a list for things I'm doing, and I try to keep that to no more than one or two things. There's also additional buckets for things I have written, recorded, edited, and done. This lets me see where things are in the process and move things towards the done list as I do them. Another one counts words and characters in my selections, which is useful when I'm trying to meet certain requirements. And yet another lets me know more or less how long it will take me to read my scripts, giving me an average video length. Next, I copy and paste this content into the desktop version of PromptSmart. That's an app that can listen as I speak to auto-advance my scripts. I use that with a teleprompter that acts as an extra monitor. Behind that sits my camera, so I can maintain eye contact while I'm reading the scripts. I use DeScript for recording and editing the scripts. And it has all these amazing features that makes processing easier. Now make sure you take a look at some of my other videos in the show notes to learn more about DeScript, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, Snagit is a separate screen capture tool that I use if I have to import some B-roll or additional screen captures from websites to illustrate a point. Now, this is the fastest way to capture the screen, and it has a quick cutting tool where I can do some simple editing. It creates MP4 files, which I can drag directly into DeScript as a layer so that I can add it to my edit. Finally, I use an app called Keyboard Maestro when I have to type in something that's kind of long. It simulates natural typing cadence. I set it up so that you can just use a keyboard shortcut to type whatever I have in the clipboard automatically. Then it's much easier to retime my video clips and make my typing look super clean. If you're a content creator, these are going to make your life a lot easier, giving you more time to focus on important things.